Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious nachos guacamole. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 3 perfectly ripe avocados, 1 fresh lime, and a generous bunch of cilantro. Don't forget 1 small red onion, 1 jalapeno for a little kick, and 1 ripe tomato. Of course, you'll also need salt, black pepper, and plenty of your favorite crispy tortilla chips to complete this amazing snack. Now, let's get to the heart of our dish, the guacamole. Take your 3 ripe avocados, halve them, remove the pits, and scoop the creamy flesh into a medium-sized bowl. Using a fork, gently mash the avocado, aiming for a chunky texture, not a smooth paste. Next, finely dice about 1/4 of a red onion and 1 small jalapeno. Stir these into the avocado, along with 2 generous tablespoons of fresh, chopped cilantro. To elevate the flavors, squeeze the fresh juice of 1/2 a lime directly over your mashed avocado mixture. This adds a bright, zesty note and helps prevent browning. Season with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a good pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Gently fold all the ingredients together until they are beautifully combined and vibrant green. Serve your incredible guacamole immediately with warm, crispy tortilla chips for the ultimate experience. Here are a few tips to ensure your nachos guacamole is always a hit. First, always choose firm, ripe avocados for that perfect creamy texture and rich flavor. Feel free to adjust the amount of jalapeno to match your personal spice preference. For an extra layer of zest, consider adding a dash of your favorite hot sauce. Remember, guacamole is best enjoyed fresh, so serve it right away to prevent browning and savor its incredible taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.